welcome to part 3 of the walk-in closet build. This is gonna be a fun one. First part, we built the walk-in closet. Framed it up, check it out. Second part, we did a storage for shoes and smaller things that goes on the ground, as well as toe kick. That's part 2, check that out, I'll link that up as well. In this part, we're gonna be making a dresser that's gonna set on top of our previous 2 steps. It's gonna look something like this. Pull out drawers. We're gonna do kind of an industrial pipe handle on it, so that should be cool. First things first though, we gotta make a case for this thing. Now, I will say, this is my first time making drawers, so happy to have you here. Take that journey along with me. It's gonna be an exciting one. Stick around, table sauce first. You know, just a quick tip here. When I'm ripping, 8-foot stuff, I never really get it broken down at the big box store. So I usually break it down by myself. And what I like to do is just leave the fence a little bit wide, leave it a little bit proud. Then I'll rip my strips and then cut them into whatever dimensions I need, and then I'll run them back through and true them up at whatever width I want in the end. I feel like that's kind of a helpful thing to know. Okay, so the cases are done. That didn't take as long as I thought it would. Next up, I'm gonna make some drawers fit in there. 2 drawers each case. I'm gonna use a method that I saw online, Fix This Build That, had a really good way of putting drawers together that was really fast and simple, especially if you've got a faceplate on there. So I'm not gonna take any credit for that. In fact, I may butcher it the first time, but if you wanna look, I'll link that video down in the description if you wanna take a closer look at that. Brad Rodriguez, that's the dude's name. Fix This Build That, Brad Rodriguez. That's what I'm using. 6 inches by 31 by 15-ish. Regular dresser drawer. are done. Really pleased with the way these things came out. They have the soft closed drawers, which is really kind of a nice added feature. And we did the iron pipe handles to kind of go along with the theme. If you've been following us, you know that industrial look is something we go for, and it's really kind of ties the whole house together to have them in here too. But next thing, cubbies, then storage across the top with a place to hang clothes. We're getting there. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Check out the other videos of the walk-in closet series. This one's really fun. We're coming along. Glad to have you with us. Always trust your guide. We'll see you next time.